Ebusamema wakwa ba from Ghana TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification also on so that anytime I post a video, biti we usame kebi. Ebusia, my babium, be bias. And normally when I'm biased, I know you come for me in the comment section. And yes, sir. But you also know, sir, the only way I can be biased, or the only time I am biased, is when it comes to, sorry, Sam, no. Because me a church boy, money. That notwithstanding, it is also my duty to bring the news to you and to be sure, say, I'm fair in my analysis. Yeah, Papa, the father of the charismatic movement, Ghana, the revered Archbishop, His Eminence, Duncan Williams. Right now, our social media soon. For Dragino, left, right, center. Left, right, center, middle, baby, Uncle for Dragino. Na edra sema Archbishop ni preaching mu ene. Waka se, esese yen Ghana for yen bompaye. Emma GoldBod. Asema Archbishop akani ina eni. Nkrofo se omo penida. But you see, sometimes I understand the anger in the people when the clergy speak this way. Oh, nukre. I understand the anger. I understand why people are bitter. I understand why people are tempted to come after the clergy. Because already, Ghanaians have regretted the fact, say, they've allowed NDC to come back to power. And a fact. I know people will not agree to it, but it's the truth. All the things are NDC for promising, they are not performing on any of them. And a lot of things are going on LCC, our Ghana. The more you think about it, the more you are tempted to open up to depression. People are not getting jobs to do. People have been laid off. And then our Ghana say, we have some public servants loans crowd multi. It is the truth. If you don't know, Ukrainian say, I was speaking with a nurse recently, and he was telling me, said there is one bank a state-owned bank. Who your nurse now of G-loan. They will not give you beyond a certain amount, or they will reject your loan application. That is what is happening in Ghana right now. Okay? And the people are angry. People are annoyed. And most of the people are blaming some of these pastors because they forced them to go and vote for NDC. And okay, before election, we saw some pastors laying cases on their members. Say, wow, be free, sorry, we ukokoto abama baumia biano, yakuponi ubedi, and all those things. But Archbishop talking about GoldBod, Ghanaians feel say he should know better. Because a car GoldBod unkwambono, it baffles our minds. Uko share report aba. Pass a GoldBod, being a company eton sikakokono. You would wonder, say, who sells gold and still makes losses? It makes no sense. Gold, oh. Now, if you are selling gold and you are making loss, and no better cocoa. If you are selling gold and you are making losses, then what happens if you are selling cement? I know people who have been able to sell pure water. And that pure water, they use that money from it to look after themselves, their families. With pure water. And if somebody is selling gold on behalf of you and I, and is making losses, I don't think say it's prayer that is going to work. No. What Archbishop should be saying, and they say, John Mahama, the earlier you remove Sami Jemfi from that office, the better for Ghana. And I believe that this is what Ghanaians were expecting Archbishop to say. For which reason, They are a little bit angry and disappointed. And quite understandable. Mamunso, Matthias, yes, oh, Wufu, but yeah, Munko no slow kakrama ye penny for no. Archbishop Duncan Williams say, oh, you're fine man. Oh, fine man. The Abemus. Abemus, no. And see, Emma will be a metro any bad thing about him or comment section or no. But we have given him a polite reply, and it's a polite reply. Say, GoldBod does not need prayers. What GoldBod needs the immediate resignation of Sami Jemfi. Sami Jemfi must resign. You cannot be supervising over such a state-owned company and still we are not seeing anything better come out of it. Debbie. So, a resignation. And the earlier people start resigning in this administration, the better chances for this government that is in power. Because most of the people that have been appointed are clueless. Very, very, very clueless. And most of them. And most of them have left their agencies on autopilot mode. Nothing new, no innovation, only recklessness. And then something like that does not deserve prayer. It deserves what? Resignation.
Abusia, and Mera ho, hey! Archbishop Duncan Williams, ama Mera ho se me ye Ghana ni. Archbishop Duncan Williams, General Overseer of Action Chapel International, Yusu Nyankopon Fie, that exalted pulpit to whitewash crime, to defend criminals, to make what is bad by all standards and measure look good in the sight of the people. Abusia, asefem. Baby Ghana atetia pora kwa koduru no. Baby Ghana asaya kwa koduru no to the extent say ene your moral institutions, religious bodies are being corrupted in this manner. Abusia, Mera ho, Archbishop Duncan Williams whitewash crime. So no I cost you GoldBod. Archbishop Duncan Williams can't the Ghana for say yam bomb pa man GoldBod. Adenya politics and necrophobia. Yeah, politics with GoldBod issues because GoldBod has to pay smuggling of goods. Necropho fighting GoldBod because of that. Hey, how are Papa no twisty issues to whitewash GoldBod? Who dey share Papa no? Tiense mo kan. We abra. Ni ending komo ehun hia.
That we need to pray for the GoldBod. And I'll tell you why. With what I was told by this sheikh and the calls I had that they can't get the gold like before illegally, so they want some channels to the GoldBod so they can purchase the gold now from the GoldBod. It's clear to me that the GoldBod is dealing with a very powerful movement. People very, very established who knows and understand the field and how to do this and don't want the right thing to be done. And in the name of politics, we are destroying the future of our children and our grandchildren. So I'm going to dedicate a lot of time today for us to intercede for our nation because I'm concerned about some things. And I am not speaking as a prophet, as much as some may be prophetic. I am speaking as a student of prophecy and a student of history. I just remembered yesterday the sheikh and what they were telling me, that the amount of illegal gold that they bought, and they had records of it, but Ghana didn't have a record of it. The one Ghana have a record of was what the government sold, but the one Ghana didn't have a record of was more than what Ghana sold to them. And they have all the record and we don't. So for whatever reason, it looks like the rules and the laws are not working, because if anybody tries to make it work and enforce the law, we turn everything to politics. And if you don't do what I want, next time I won't vote for you. And so because people don't want to lose their seat in parliament or they don't want their party to lose, they give in and allow lawlessness to continue. Lift up your hands, say, Heavenly Father.
Abuzia, sa osiafem. You see, GoldBod on seminal. It has nothing to do with smuggling of gold. Obi anyone wa raise any concern about smuggling of gold. Our GoldBod, see no quine. Obi anyone. The actual issues are ye ka ho asem gold. GoldBod akoto wa omaboka 1.7 billion US. So the bag Ghana sikema over 20 billion Ghana cedis. And no na ye ka ho asem. And no na ye ka ho asem sika Ghana yahwere through the operation of GoldBod. Sika ebetimi esi hospitals, district hospitals, mako 100 near chire. Sika ebetimi aye dualization of Accra Kumasi highway. Atwa so akodu 30 mile. Ebi beka me de aye Kaswa Winneba road na ekoso no. Eno ho asem ne ye ka. Krono a ekoso wo GoldBod, Dreama, Sameja feeding in GoldBod, Edi Ghana, ya boka twitwiri die. Eno ne ye ka. It has nothing to do with smuggling of gold. But also for ya sheda. Ghana for adwene every day actual issue so. Akobibia, it has never been a concern. It has never been an issue where Obia raise any issue about GoldBod fighting smuggling of gold. Papa, trying to change the public discourse, trying to take Ghanaians' minds off from the actual issue to issue by Obian kan ho asem. And you see, Abusia, muntie ni yi. Say GoldBod ebe stop smuggling of gold. Na Ghana ye beboka 1.7 billion US. So the bag Ghana sikema 20 billion Ghana cedis ni achire de nka omunja nkrofo no smuggle gold no. Because obi smuggle gold enye Ghana sika na wawia. Enye Ghana gold ana wawia, enye Ghana sika na ayera. But GoldBod sa 1.7 billion US over 22 billion Ghana cedis ni de. Eye taxes. Eye sika. Eye sika nki ebetimi de aye mpuntunjuma na ayera. Even on that narrative now, Archbishop Duncan Williams person or putting it out there, no, it becomes flawed. It becomes weak. It becomes lame. If you assess it to the losses at GoldBod, Omumeki, Kronua Ekosu GoldBod. And Archbishop Duncan Williams was on him say GoldBod. Omu season crofo gold, they don't even record it. Omu real gold, no. Omo kwachin crofo gold, say almost smuggle illegally. No matter no matter. And this man, a whole church, whitewashing crime, whitewashing criminals. Abusian ask if you move. This is how I Ghana pro attitude. Hey. Oh nah, meraho. Sami jemfia bribe you bia wa Ghana. Wa bribe journalists wa Ghana nyina na semba wa monka. Wa bribe civil society organization penifu wa Ghana nyina na semba wa monka. In fact, omo kra no mu defending no. Omo kra no mu defending Steve Manti ya nominate Franklin Kujodum penifu a omutini hu afudwe no mu defending akwalai ya obo Ghana krono. Ene de Sami jemfi. Baby odu aduru ya sorry fie. Asofo no corrupt yom. Ana asofo no use Nyankopon fie. Nyankopon puppet. De whitewash krono Dreama Sami jemfi ebo Ghana. Abusia asifi mu meraho. Ghana enye yi under this NDC government. Because omo be bokro no ma bribing crofo